that way. I might as well enjoy my life and watch the stars play. Beverly Hills, that's where I want to be. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, glowing like the sun every day. Living in Beverly Hills. Has anybody been to Beverly Hills?